Hello friends, welcome back with another video. In this video I am going to show you how you can claim 20,000 dogs free. I'm going to show you step by step process how to claim 20,000 dogs for free, and the prize is given by dogs community. I'm going to show you each and everything, so watch the video carefully. Okay, so first, when we go to dogs community, they just posted this. Okay, you can see this one, this up to 20,000 will be gifted for deposit to Binance. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can deposit your dogs into Binance, so watch the video carefully. Okay, and the prize will be given to those who to the first 500k users. Okay, those who claims their token in Binance. So first, we will go to Binance. First we will go to dogs bot. Okay, so let's go to the bot. I'm going to show you how you can change your exchange. Okay, so let's go. So first, what you need to do is click here. Okay, click here, click, then click choose another option. Okay, choose another option, continue. You can see the Binance here. Okay, up to 20,000 dogs on TG. So send here. Okay, do you have a Binance account? Yes, I have. Okay, so let's go back to the Binance app and copy the dog's deposit address and memo tag. Okay, so let's go to the Binance app. When go to the deposit section, search here dogs. Okay, DOGS. As you can see, there is no dogs available yet, but it will be available soon, so stay alert. The process is same as you have done for Bybit or for Bitget to claim your dogs. The same process is to be done here. So I will show you an example. Uh, let's search atom. Okay, atom. Okay, as you can see, there is a deposit address. Okay, there is a deposit address and there is a memo tag. You can see same process will be done for dogs, but they still have not added the dogs in to the deposit section. Okay, so stay alert. When the dogs claiming will be available, I will upload a new video on how to claim your dogs coin on Binance. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. I will show you how you will you can win 20,000 dogs. Okay,